Welcome to our newsletter for August 2018. I'm going to walk you through each playlist from a newsletter, and these are highlight links to our actual YouTube channel videos. First is short clips playlist. The first one is why stretch. Why is it important to stretch? Basically, or take medications, either one, whatever you want to do. Second video, a short clip, is going to be building muscle for specific health benefits. Okay, at that point, be able to do daily activities without causing injury. Third one's going to be mood, attitude, helps by nerve, overall health. We want to make sure to understand how the nerves help our overall body and mind stay healthy and relaxed. Fourth one in our short clip is going to be let kids learn, understanding that these trainers are very, very good at what they do, even though they look young, help our kids learn from a young age, 3 years old and up. Short clip explains why. Next short clip is getting healthy and learning how. My quick podcast short clip with Celine Celeste. And going on next playlist is going to be your posture exercise playlist. Here we have 3 exercises. First one's going to be 2 best neck exercises from our playlist. Next is going to be 2 best low back strength exercises. The last one is going to be the 2 best low back stretch exercises for one. So you realize having these videos for you allows you to understand how to get healthy on your own by stretching first and strengthening afterwards. Next playlist is our interview playlist. First one is with Narcy of Cable CrossFit. Okay, a really good guy that understands what health is and a very Christian-based friendship type of guy too. Next one from playlist is going to be your soccer trainers keeping kids competitive. This is with Upland Arena. These kids, and when I say kids younger than myself, understand how to help younger kids get healthy and stay strong and stay confident. Okay, for our podcast playlist, the Crooked Spine Show, we have the first one, Celine Celeste interview with myself, understanding how to get people healthy and why. Okay, and also to our different workshops we had this month playlist is going to be arthritis, recovery, and prevention. Second one is getting up from the floor. Next one is nerve pain relief, better health. Next one is upper body stretches for posture. These allow people to understand how to get healthy over time, specific exercise to do as we walk through these. So these are full videos. Go to our actual playlist if you want to see the longer one. At that point, walk through everything, understand how to stay healthy in detail. Okay, next, our testimonials. Only had one this month, which was with Anna, which is very good because she came in exhausted, a lot of nerve pain down the arms, headaches, and even very anxious because of lack of sleep and just overall exhaustion. At that point now, she's 100% better, getting stronger, healthier, a lot more confident, and laughs a lot more. Okay, again, remember our events too. Every month we have 3 this month. First going to be on the 14th, lower back strength for better balance. Okay. Second is our 21st. It's going to be shoulder recovery exercises at the Kitchen Center. And last, our in-office talk is how your nerves control your health and mood. Okay, we talk about this kind of every month with our new patients. That we understand what's going on. And lastly, to understand, we want your feedback. We want your reviews on Google, Facebook, Yelp, Health Grades. At that point, it allows us not to become a secret. Other people that don't even know us to get healthy and understand what we do. All right, so hope you enjoyed this newsletter, and we'll see you next time.